Morning guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be completing the Yorkshire 3 peaks. Here's my sister Kay, who's really looking forward to it, and my dad. Are we ready, Dad? Yes we are. It is currently 10 to 5, set up for about 5:30. Let's go. I'm ready.
2 seconds, I just need the wilted porridge. But I won't eat all of it because it's too much. But
He's ready.
are you in? Are you literally in?
That's how I'm going in.
You bloody not.
I am. Pretty well. Yeah, I'm running.
What shoes you got on?
That's some running trainers.
And where's your jacket?
I don't need a jacket, I'm running.
Connor, you're literally going to get hypothermia.
No, I'll be alright. Right, we're set off at 5:52 from the car park in Orton in Ribblesdale. Let's see how we get on. One down, 2 to go. The wind has finally calmed down. Thank God for that. Yeah, so just walking on his way to Whernside. It's very, very foggy though. Hopefully it should take us about 3.5 to 4 hours to get there. So we'll see. Well, it's just about starting to get light, finally. We're about 5 miles in, so another 19.5 to go. Come on, boy. And the good thing is, on this 10-mile walk, it's mainly flat, so if you want to speed up, you usually can do, and so that's even better. Hello, sheepy. Hey, go on, boy. What are you doing? Come here, come on. Didn't think they like that. Jesus Christ, we've got the squad now blocking the track. Oh shit. Shit's about to kick off. Oh shit. Forgot to mention, I have done the Yorkshire 3 peaks before. Last time it took me 10.5 hours, so I'm hoping I can beat that time today. And also my dad and my sister, they're doing the Yorkshire 3 peaks as you saw this morning, but they don't walk as quickly as me, unfortunately, so I'm meeting them at the pub when I'm done. So hopefully I have time for a few pints before they turn up. Got myself a bit of food, keep the sugar levels up and your carbs. Frosty cereal bar thanks to my sister. Right, so we've just started walking on the road, so we can't be too far from the viaduct, I wouldn't have thought, if I remember correctly from last time. And then that's when you start your ascent to Whernside, which is in the clouds. Right, so we made it to the viaduct, Riverhead Viaduct. So now we're going to start our ascent up towards Whernside. Hopefully we get a few decent views at the top. Come on. peak number 2, word side completed. One more left. Let's go. Right, we're about 5 hours in, just about down from one side. Yeah, funny enough, Whernside, it's the tallest out of the Yorkshire 3 peaks, but the easiest to get up. So yeah, so 5 hours in, doing alright I think. Found the vending machine. So
Please present your card or authorize it.
is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Come on. Oh, I'm gonna be gutted. Oh, it's worked. Oh, boom. Got myself a bottle of water and, of course, Galaxy Caramel. Right, currently 2.5 miles away from Ingleborough, which is the last summit of the Yorkshire 3 Peaks. So, hopefully, my legs hold on until then. We're about halfway to the top, I reckon, or maybe a quarter. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this ascent. I don't know if you can see this. Up into there. Right, nearly done on the ascent. But look at the views. Absolutely great views at the top. Ingleborough once again. Boom. We have actually reached the final summit of the Yorkshire 3 Peaks. Just under 7 hours at the minute. There we go. This weather, it's going to be muddy, you're going to slip. Well, at the minute, my feet feel like they would fall off. That's, well, only 3 miles. And here we have it, we're at the station. Oh, Jesus Christ. So it's took us about 8 hours 45 minutes. I'll put a picture of the time that I've done it in. But yeah, there we go. The Yorkshire 3 Peaks completed.